Hello, welcome to another video. Today we will be installing the immobiliser. Little device, pretty easy to install, not well known yet as far as I know. I never heard about it until I met the guy who is selling them on Santapod. So we will see how it works. I think it's brilliant. You've got just 5 wires to connect, and when somebody tries, I mean the device connects to your Bluetooth on your phone, so you have to have your phone with you. Usually, probably you have, I would assume. And device connects to the Bluetooth on your phone. Then, if you've got the phone with you, automatically you don't have to do anything. Just switch the engine on, you go. But when the Bluetooth is not in range, so device don't see your phone, then the engine will not start and the horn will start beeping. So I think that's perfect, because if somebody wanna steal your van and the horn suddenly starts beeping, I think they will just go away as soon as possible. They will don't try to think what's going on, why the horn is on, how to switch the horn off or whatever. I think the first thing what they will do is just go. So that's perfect, I think. I will run you quickly with the installation process, how it works, but will be with every vehicle will be probably a bit different. And if you're interested in it, I will put the link in the description somewhere, and with the writing with the code WinginIt10 you will get 10% off. I will write it down in the description. I will as well put what you need for installation as well, and any links, if I've got any, I will put in the description as well. And now I will just show you the device quickly. Okay, so here we go. It is called Stop My Engine Anti-Theft Device, and looks pretty simple. Something like that. Little button over here that you only need to program with your phone first. You can use this one, or you've got one on the lead, like this extension. Everything is in the little instruction, and here you've got just 5 wires what you need to connect. So we've got, one second, black of course is earth, pink you need to put to the ignition. That's mean the wire what is only live when the ignition is on, positive wire, yeah. So I would find that the easiest usually is cigarette socket. From the connect to cigarettes positive. Then we've got these 2 cables, green and blue. That's the cables what will connect to the cable which you're breaking. So what I mean by that is, the best thing is, if I think, I'm not saying that you have to do it like that, I am breaking the positive cable on the fuel pump. So when the vehicle is out of Bluetooth range of my phone, the fuel pump will stop working. So basically the engine will stop. And if the vehicle is out of Bluetooth range, yeah, that's mean this device, and somebody wants to switch the engine on, then not only will not be able to switch it on, because fuel pump will don't get anything, no positive, no power, yeah, then the horn will start beeping. So either if you're asleep at home and your Bluetooth is off, or you're far away from the vehicle enough that the Bluetooth is not connected, then you will hear a horn of your car, you know that is something wrong, or your van, because that is suitable for any car, van, motorbike. You can connect that to anything what's got engine. And another thing is, once again, you've got these 2 wires, this, and of course you've got wire what you're connecting to horn, so the horn can beep. So now I will try to connect that. I will don't film that, so because I want to hide that in my vehicle. But as I said, you just need to find your horn, where it is. I know maybe that sounds weird, but it took me a while in my Renault Master to find where the horn is. Then fuel pump cable, positive, the best, if you want to connect to the fuel pump. Somewhere where you got the ignition cable, and negative, of course, earth. And that's it. Connect that now, and then we will start testing it, and I will come back to you, tell you how it works. You can see slowly starts to melt. First the sweet, then the solder. And here we want to melt all of it, so it's watertight, and as well connection is getting stronger because of that, so we can't pull it apart. There's a little bit all the way around. And that's it. Pretty simple. Thank you very much for watching. The link will be in the description for the connectors as well. And here is what I'm using to strip the wires. Pretty good, pretty quick as well. If you're still with me and you're still interested in this device, I will just quickly show you how it works. I managed to wire everything in. I will show you quickly how it is done in a sec. But first I will show you how it works. Don't worry about all the lights flashing on my dashboard, it's just because few things was disconnected. I will clear all the faults later with my little tool as well, and for now I will show you how it works. So we've got the phone, you can see the Bluetooth is switched on, and you can see stop my engine over here is connected. Yes, yeah. So if we go now to switch the engine on, needs to prime a few times because I was testing it without Bluetooth switched on. Don't worry about that. Yeah, it's on. The engine is on. All works normally. Okay. And now another little tip is when you're installing it, what I've done is I didn't install the horn, didn't connect the horn yet. Just connect this little light just to save the neighbors, because when you're programming the tool, when you're programming the device, the horn will sound quite a lot of times. So to save the neighbors, I just connect the light so I can see. It's exactly the same thing, it's just no sound. I will wire the horn later on today, but I will show you now. Have a look. We just switched the Bluetooth off on my phone. 1 second. Bluetooth off. And now I don't even need to try to switch the engine on, but I will. Oh, 1 second. That's my other little immobiliser as well. This one I've got 2 now, so hopefully always will be better. Okay, Bluetooth is still off. You can hear already stop my engine ticking over there. And now I'm trying to switch it on. Nothing. It's not going on because it hasn't got any fuel. Oh, runs for a bit. And it stalls because it doesn't get the fuel in. But now, if you see, if somebody will either leave the ignition on, the lights comes on. So that normally would be your horn. So somebody is having a very big shock, I would assume, if somebody wants to steal your thing. And as I said, this device could be connected to anything: car, van, bike. It's mostly done for a bike, to be honest, because another thing is the cables are not long enough for a car or a van to connect everything, so I did have to extend them. So I will show you now how it works. The light is still flashing. Okay, I will switch the Bluetooth back on. You can see now will automatically connect, and I will switch the ignition on. Yeah, it's connected now. You see, lights is off. Bluetooth to device is connected. Perfect. Okay, so now I will quickly show you. This is the device, yes. You've got one button to program over here, you've got extended one as well, so when I hide this thing somewhere behind the dash, then I can still reprogram or do anything that I need to do with this button, what will be somewhere else, so I don't need to go to this device always. And as I said, you've got two cables coming out, what they disturbing something, in my case fuel pump. Then you've got pink, that is ignition wire, black, that is earth, and this white cable, that is a cable for horn, what I will have to connect in a minute. And then we will test it with the horn. Sorry neighbors. But as I said, the link for the device is in the description with the discount code WinginIt 10. You will get 10% off. I will write everything in the description as well. Okay guys, so Stop My Engine is fully installed now. I even connect the horn, hidden everything so you don't really see that there is anything, and the ignition is on. As you can see on my phone, here we've got the Bluetooth, yes. Stop My Engine is connected, yes. Everything is okay. I can just switch the engine on. Oh. Yeah. Can just switch my engine on. Here we go. All good. All works. And now we will quickly switch the engine off and put the ignition back on. But now I will quickly disconnect Stop My Engine, or actually I will just switch the Bluetooth off on my phone and we'll see what will happen. You can see on the radio Bluetooth device switched off, has been disconnected, and I can hear something doing the noise. Can try to switch back the engine on. It's cutting off, and we're waiting for horn. If I wired it correctly, the horn's supposed to go on. You see? The horn goes on. Switch the Bluetooth back on. Horn is off. All is connected, and now we can switch the engine on, I think. Yeah. All works perfectly. Wow, that's good. Okay, switch the engine off. Pretty good. Impressed. So again, here you got little device. Stop My Engine. I will put the link into the description for everything I used and stuff like that. And don't forget, if you buy with our code, you're getting 10% off. So as I said, up to you. I think it's worth investing. And see you in the next video when we're doing some more work to our van. Thank you very much for watching.